Hey folks, how y'all doing? Oh man, we got a 6-inch bench vise we got a 6-inch bench vise. Slow down, would you? From the people at Wen. Folks, I've been getting some questions. Yeah, obviously, I like my Wen products. And, one of the things people always say is, well, I would like it too if they were giving it to me free. They've given me none of this for free. I've played full retail on Amazon for all this stuff. I really think they have a good lineup of equipment, and I think it's solidly built. And for the home hobbyist like I am, I think it's perfect. So tell you what, let's take a look at this one on Amazon, and then we'll get her out of the box. All right, so there's a lot of choices when it comes to vices, folks. And look at some of the prices. And Wen makes awesome vices, but for a home hobbyist like me, $276 just wasn't worth it. You can see this one was $77. So in my opinion, I even went to Harbor Freight and looked. I know I have purchased stuff from Harbor Freight. It's not all bad, and their 6-inch vices were about the same in price, but there were some features that I didn't like compared to this. So I tell you what, let's get it out of the box and take a closer look. All right, there it is out of the box. I tell you what, I'm really impressed with this thing. 35 pounds, if that's what you're wondering. One of the things I liked about it is kind of like this work area, the solid steel, I should say cast iron work area back here, kind of like an anvil. I really like that a lot. It is, you see, adjustable, so you can, it swivels both ways. It opens up, when they say 6-inch, that means that this opens, I tell you what, let's open it up 6 inches. So you can see how far it actually does open. All right, so how far does it draw? Like I said, it's a 6-inch, so you can see about 6 3/4 is what it opens. Pretty impressive. I got to think about where we're going to mount this, but I got a good idea. Let's take a look. All right, so on the workbench, this is where I'm thinking about putting it. In fact, this is where I'm going to put it. And one thing I just discovered is that the locking for the swivel, there's one on each side. I didn't realize that before. So most vices I see usually just have it on one side. So what I've done, I swiveled it so I can get these two holes, this hole back further. And I'm gonna put some carriage bolts all the way through the bottom. One of the things I wanted to look at is I wanted to get her kind of right on a leg, so that when you are pounding on her or something like that, you're coming straight down. And I think it's going to be the place. I want to make sure that this back jaw is so that it's overhanging the front edge, or exactly even with it. Even if it's overhanging by 1/8 of an inch, that's all I want. That way you can put longer pieces in here and then go all the way to the floor, and they don't hit the workbench. So folks, there it is. That's the Wen 6-inch bench vise, and I'm pretty impressed with it. Apparently it's 36,000 PSI cast iron. I don't know how you test that. Just have to take their word for it. But Tom Horseman at YouTube, thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.